Hello beautiful people, Shabir here. I'm just getting ready for some Afghani barbecue. I know it's a tough time, guys. It's a coronavirus out there. We're all stuck at home. But we have to stay strong. We have to stay positive. And we have to do the normal things. So my family, my team and I, we decided to have a barbecue tomorrow. And I've got some back strip here, the lamb back strip. So what I do basically, I just do a bit of cleanup, take these bits out, and we feed the birds outside with those ones. So once I cut that, I see, and this one just goes in the middle, and I dice this. There you go. So they're ready. And here I've got some more. I already cut these ones. You see, that's ready. And I've got some chicken in here as well. Usually this is a lot in here. We bring more package strip because usually we have our parents, my brothers and my sisters. But now because of this coronavirus, so we can't do those social stuff. But what we can do, not to just give up everything, so we can do this just for our family. And once I cut this one, is a few more pieces. I've got some more in here. Once I cut it, put it in this pot, and I'm gonna marinate this tonight, and this will be ready for tomorrow. But I will show that in the next part of this video. Hello guys, the meat is ready now. It's been diced. So what I need to marinate it now before tomorrow to be ready. Okay, so what I do, I'll put 2 spoons of yogurt, 1, and here is 2, and I put 1 spoon of salt. Let's keep the, yep. I'll put 1 spoon of salt in here. And 1 spoon of garlic. See, Sahar already prepared all this. Okay. And sunflower oil. And a bit of oil in here. Let's see that I don't put too much. There you go. So what else I do in here? I'm gonna blend 5 onions and put the juice of onion here as well, because that's very important. Let's mix this before we make the onion ready. You see? Okay. Do you wanna show this? It looks really good. It doesn't have the onion yet. So once this gets marinated, put the onion on the top, and then we close the top. And it gets ready for tomorrow for the barbecue. And now, let me wash my hand quickly, not to mix the lamb and chicken together. So here I've got some chicken ready as well, already been cut. And in here, I've got, thanks to Sahar to prepare this, I've got black pepper, turmeric, and fresh garlic. So what I do, I'm gonna put this one in the chicken. So that's how we marinate the chicken. Let's not waste it because there's a bit left. So once that's in, I'm gonna mix the chicken together. As I mentioned before, when we do this chicken and lamb, we take a lot. It's because all our families come for barbecue, but now because of this coronavirus out there, we're stuck at home, but we still do our barbecues because, guys, it is, maybe some of you watch this video and say, hey, people are this and that. You know what? We all have our responsibilities. We all need to stay strong, stay positive, do the normal thing, and enjoy this quality time that while we're stuck at home with our families. And you will see the barbecue tomorrow, and I will have that one in our video as well. Okay. Hello. should be here. Saturday afternoon. Here in Melbourne, it's cold, rainy. But what we did last night, we marinated our lamb and chicken. It's all ready, we prepared. And the barbecue is ready here as well. So what we're gonna do, just put them a bit, spray that. Whoa, it's really hot. Okay. Let me get the longer one because the shorter one is burning my fingers. Okay. And what we did now, when that's ready, let's make sure not to burn the meat quick. Okay. There you go. And now, using these, going one by one, just put it here. Line them up. And I have to keep an eye on them because the barbecues are really hot. And let's use it for the chicken as well. Okay. Maybe one chicken on this side. A little bit fixing up the coil underneath. Okay, we just put some distance between so they can cook, it cook really well. Alright, so this is getting cooked. But while I'm doing this video, I've been showing you, it's not that to teach you guys how to do the Afghani barbecue. Most of you Afghan people, you know it. I'm sure you do better than this maybe. But the reason I'm doing this video, because at this time that we're all locked up in our houses and we can't do anything, instead of being depressed, instead of being, saying that I can't do anything, we have to stay positive. We have to continue to our normal life. Usually I'm having this barbecue, I have my parents, my brothers, sisters, but now I can't because the social distances, we can't do it. We have to follow the rule. But I've got my family here and we do our normal barbecue. We went shopping quickly, came back, got the meat last night, we marinated and it's all ready and we're just enjoying it as a family. We're just doing this because we don't want to feel depressed. We don't want to feel sad that why this happening. You see, this coronavirus will go and everything will get back to normal. So what we need to do, we need to stay out, we need to stay confident, we need to stay positive and just follow our normal life. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you don't like it, it's okay. If you like it, just click the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. It's time, I can't invite anyone here because of this coronavirus, so it's time for us to enjoy it. Now they are ready. Yep, that one is ready. This one is ready. Yep, this is ready. Let's see the chicken because we don't want to burn them. Yeah, they're looking good to me. Beautiful. I'm gonna put some more sesame in here. And this one is ready. That one is ready. Let's keep it here. I'm ready to eat.